Hi dear students, today we are going to discuss about molarity and its different forms. Means like in dilution process, is it changes any concentration, or suppose two different acids we are adding or mixing, how to calculate final concentration. Then I'm adding acid and base. Is it really neutral or is still acidic character or basic character? Like this type of things we are going to discuss today. My previous videos already I discussed that one different concentration methods. Those are W by W percent already I discussed. If you want, please check it. And W by V percent, V by V percent, strength of solution. All we discussed previous my videos. Please, if you want, you can look it, and we'll continue that one. Now in this case, we are going to discuss molarity and different forms of molarity. Okay. So even I discussed my previous video molarity also in terms of W by W percent, in terms of W by V percent, and in terms of strength of solution also. You may can check it. Now here we are going to discuss about dilution principle and mixing of same nature solutions and opposite natures. So molarity equal to, already you know, n moles of solute is dissolved in V liters of solution. You can write here n equal to weight by gram molecular mass into 1000 by VML. Okay. So now our question is here dilution. What is a dilution? Very simple. Dilution means, suppose this is the one salt or acid, anyone they have 0.2 m molarity and 100 ml. By adding here 200 ml of solvent, I am adding nothing but water. Is it concentration going to be changed or same? 100% it will be changed. For example, you have one fruit juice, you can assume that one apple juice, whatever that sweetness, half of the glass is there, just half glass, but you would like to take full glass of juice. By adding water, that may become full glass, that may become full glass. But whenever that become full glass, taste of the juice is going to be changed or remains same. Sweetness will be changed, that going to be decreases. So by adding solvent, concentration of the solute going to be decreases. Means concentration of the solution will be changed. Is it correct? Concentration of the solute per volume or per unit volume going to be changes. So same, whenever that changes, and taste of or concentration of the solution also going to be changed. Now dilution means addition of solvent to the solution is called dilution. Is it clear? In the dilution process, which is constant here, even you can add more amount of water also, whatever the amount of substance or solute present in the solution, that doesn't change. So amount of the solute is remains constant, but we're adding more solvent only. Whenever amount is constant means number of moles of particular solute also constant. So for the dilution process, number of moles also constant. So m into V equal to n, this is constant. Is it clear? So which is constant for dilution process? Number of moles, because we're adding extra solvent, but we didn't add any solute. Whatever existing solute doesn't change. So for two different cases, so I'm taking here one solution. This is assume that one 0.4 m and 200 ml of HCl. Now I added here 200 ml of water. Now I need to find out final concentration. So in this case, before dilution, M1 V1, I am assuming concentration before dilution. Concentration is M1, volume is V1. So you can write here, which is constant here again. N is constant, sir. So M1 V1 equal to N. This is constant. Assume that equation 1. And after dilution, by adding solvent, concentration going to be changed. That's I'm assuming M2. And volume also going to be changed because we're adding water. So solvent volume also going to be changed, V2 equal to N. This is equation 2. So both are same. You can equal 1 equal to 2. We'll get here M1 V1 equal to M2 V2. This is the final formula which we are going to be used for dilution principle. So what is the V2 volume here? V2 equal to V1 plus extra solvent which we added, sir. Added solvent. So most of the students they are doing here only mistake. V2 means they are adding simply how much we are adding, that much only they are going to be considered. That is wrong. V1 plus added solvent. So now shall we apply the same example here? So before dilution. So M1 V1 what we consider here? So M1 V1 is the before dilution. So M2 V2 after dilution. So now same principle you may can apply and get final answer for this process, right? So M1 is 0.4, M1 V1 equal to M2 V2. I'm solving. This is the problem here. So M1 is 0.4 into V1 is 200 ml. M2 I don't know, but V2 I know that one. 200 plus. We're adding how much solvents are here? 200 only. So 200 plus 200. So this is the final volume. So M2 equal to 0.4 into 200 by 400. I hope we can solve this is. So 0.2 M is the final answer. This is we call dilution. This is called dilution. So finally, upon dilution, concentration of the solution decreases or increases. After dilution, concentration of the solution decreases or increases. Before dilution, what is the concentration of the solution? Before dilution, what is the concentration of the solution? 0.4. After dilution, what is the concentration of the solution? 0.2. So upon dilution, concentration of the solution decreases. You can note down that point. Upon dilution, concentration of the solution decreases. Concentration of the solution decreases. Decreases. I hope you understood, everyone. Now we can see same nature, we are mixing same nature of the solutions. Mixing of same natured solutions. Means either both are acids or both are base. I'm going to mix here. Both are acids or both are bases. For example, here this is the solution. It have 0.2 m 200 ml NaOH. This is base. I'm adding again 0.4 m 200 ml KOH we are adding. What is the final solution? Concentration. So now in this case, we need to find out resultant molarity. That's we call M final or M resulting equal to molarity basic formula, total number of moles by total volume, V total. So already we know that one number of moles in terms of molarity and volume, N equal to M into V, sir. This is the number of moles formula. Suppose N1, we can write M1 V1, N2, you can write M2 V2. So two different I'm taking. First case you can assume M1 V1. I can write here N1 plus N2 by total volume. Whatever here V1 plus V2 is there. Now we can write here M1 V1 plus M2 V2 by V1 plus V2. So most of the teachers they will give direct formula M1 V1 plus M2 V2. How we are getting that is from our basic definition only. So now we can substitute, we will get answer here. Can you try it by using this formula? So M final or M resulting equal to. So I'm taking KYH is 1, case 1, and this is case 2. You can try it, sir. M1 is 0.4, V1 is 200, plus M2 is 0.2, and V2 is 200. So total volume, you can calculate V1 is 200 plus 200. How much will get here? Right? We'll get your final answer. So I think so. This is 0.4 into 20, 80 plus 20 into 2, 40 by 400. So what's your answer here? 120 by 400. We'll get here 12 by 40. You can check it now. You can get, I think so, 0.3. Is it correct? 0.3 is the final concentration. M molarity. So this is same nature solutions which we are mixing. Suppose we are adding opposite nature mixing, sir. Opposite nature. Opposite nature solution mixing. Mixing. So after mixing, we are finding resulting solution concentration. So can you find out here? This is acidic or basic or neutral. Suppose I am taking here 0.3 m 100 ml HCl. Now we are adding here 0.2 m 100 ml NaOH. What is the resulting solution nature? Acidic or basic? But they can expect pH calculation also, but we are not discussing right now pH calculation. We will see that one pH calculations later. Now just my question is acidic or basic or neutral? So that's we are going to be calculate. So you can't say simply this is acidic or basic, simple this is. So two cases possible here. Suppose we are adding base is more compared to acid, then basic character. If acid is more, then acidic character. For example here, molarity into volume of acid is more than molarity into volume of base. Now M resulting or M final solution equal to M into V of acid minus M into V of base by VA plus VB, acid volume plus base volume. And case 2, exactly opposite. If M into V of base is more than M into V of acid, then you can apply M final solution equal to M into V of base minus m into V of acid by Va plus Vb. Understood? So now above cases, which formula is suitable? Can you find out? Which is we mention here above case, which formula is suitable? Check it. So you can calculate molarity into volume of acid and base. M into V of acid equal to 0.3 into 100. So how much will get? 30. This is 30 millimoles because volume is ml. So 30 millimoles, sir. Same. M into V of base equal to 0.2 into 100. This is 20 millimoles. Which is more here, acid or base? Acid is more. So resulting solution character is acidic or basic? Acidic. Now which formula is suitable here? Case 1 or case 2? I think so case 1 is suitable here. Shall we try it? M final solution equal to M into V of acid equal to I think so 30 minus base is 20 by total volume Va plus Vb 100 plus 100. So I think you'll get 10 by 200. Now your answer is 1 by 20, sir. Nothing but 0.05 m. This is the opposite nature solutions mixing. But next case we can think this is, suppose here you can try this question. 0.4 m 200 ml HCl. Now we are adding here 0.2 m 400 ml. Now you can take here 500 ml. 500 ml HCl, sorry, NaOH we can take here. So take opposite nature, you can try it. So NaOH we are adding plus solvent also I am adding, sir, here 300 ml we are adding solvent. Then how to find out resulting concentration? So every formula whenever I am mixing that solutions, you can take M final equal to. So here you can find out acid or base which is more here. I think so you can do M into V value. Here 100 and here I think so 80 will get. I think so base is more than acid. M into V of base minus M into V of acid by Va plus Vb plus XML. This is extra added solvent. If you are adding extra added solvent, we can consider here. If they are not giving, you can ignore it. So here 0.2 m, 0.2 into 500 minus 0.4 into 200 by how much total volume here? 500 plus 200 plus 300. Can you try it here? So above case is 100 minus 80 by 1000. So nothing but 20 by 1000. You can cancel it. You can get 0.02 m. This is the final solution concentration. So acidic or basic? Basic nature because base is more. Resulting solution is basic nature. Thank you everyone. I hope you understood. If you want remaining concentration methods, we can see other videos. Thank you.